Hi everybody, this is ATEEQ. I once again welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Dear students, already we have started the importance of Matplotlib library and its sub-library which is PyPlot. Okay, and already I have told in my last video that what are the types of graphs we can generate by using this library. Okay, just by importing this library in our Python program, we can generate various types of graphical based outputs. Okay, as I have told you, let me discuss and start the first type of outputs we can generate by including this Matplotlib as well as its sublibrary PyPlot in our Python program. So first thing, let me write a question here using the hash command, hash keyword, so that it is included as a comment in our Python. So draw a line. So first of all, so how we can draw a line now in our Python program? So in order to do this work, first of all we need to import our Python, Matplotlib main library and its sublibrary PyPlot. So for that, let us use the import keyword. Okay, next matplotlib dot pyplot. So this is the sublibrary PyPlot, and I want to use the alias name as PLT. Okay, so this is the first line that we need to write in our Python program, which includes the sublibrary PyPlot, and we are using its alternative name as PLT. The next thing is, along with this I want to import one more library, that is NumPy, and for this I am giving the alias as NP, an alternate name. Is it right? So my dear students, the next thing that we need to do is, as I want to draw a line, for that reason we know that how a line can be generated. A line can be generated by combining the points. So for that reason I want to declare one variable here first, x, and here by using this alias name, that is NP, which is referred to NumPy, which is a Python library which is used to deal with numericals. So for that I am using NP dot array. Now here I want to give the values related to x-axis. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, 5 values I have given corresponding to x points. The next thing is, as I want to generate a line, for that it requires y-axis also. So for that reason I am giving y is equal to here assignment, that is NP dot array. So here I want to give the next values for y. So here also I am giving it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So my dear students, here one thing that we need to understand is how the line is generated first of all. So from x-axis and y-axis, so let us say these points are x1, x2, x3, x4 and xy. These points which are under y-axis, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So we know that how the points will be plotted: x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, x5, y5. This is how the plotting will take place. Now I want to draw the line. For that reason, let me use this PLT, which refers to PyPlot sublibrary, PLT dot, so one function, plot function, which is mainly used to plot the line. So x, y. So here I am giving this value variables x and y. Okay, and finally in order to display the output, again I am using this PLT tag dot show. Okay, now so with this our program has completed. Now in order to see the output, just simply here you can see here there is run option or F5 button. So here I will click this play button, run button, and here my dear students, here we got the output under the plot section. You can see here. So these are the plots, and here we got the output. So what we got the output? We got the output is straight line. Why we got output as a straight line? Because here we have given the values same. So 1, 1, this is the first point. Okay, next 2, 2, next 3, 3, 4, 4, and last 5, 5. Suppose if we want to change something there, let us, instead of 1 I want to give it as a here 2, here I want to give it as a 4. small changes. Now when we run this program, now you can see here the line has changed its position. Okay, this is how we can generate our lines in our Python program by using this pyplot library, and here we are using the function plot. Is it right? Now sometimes we want to see only the points in the graph. We don't want this line, we don't want this connection. So let me ask you, how many points are there in this line? Means the answer is 5 points. Okay, how? By seeing these values, 5 points are there. I want to see only these points. So what I can do, a small change in the program. So my dear students, here comma in the plot, just put in single quotations O. So it indicates that you don't want the line, you want to see only the points. So just click on the run button and here you can see the points. So there is no connection now. So the line became invisible, only the points are visible here. This is how we can, just by adding this O in single quotations, we can remove the line and you can see only the points. So in this question we can do one change, draw a line and points. So both line is visible as well as points are visible. Suppose if you don't want the points, just here remove this O and then run the program. So again the line will come, which will be connecting all these points. So this is how we can draw a line as well as the points by including this pyplot sublibrary, which is available in Matplotlib. So my dear students, in my next session, let me discuss and start a new GUI based outputs, and I will be creating all those with the help of our Python programs. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.